Hello, hello, hello. This is Frida. Welcome to my channel. Today I would like to talk about how to knit to show off like a fake Angora Rabbit sweater cardigan. Can you see it just looks like 100% Angora Rabbit yarn when you look at it. See how halo it is, and it shows perfectly on the screen here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I received this order yesterday for 2 extra large, and the customer wanted champagne, and I had this in my stash. This yarn is, I did do a review about it. You can go and check it out, and I will put at the end of the video, I will, 2 screens will pop off, and I will put you just need to click it when you see it. There's a review about this yarn. I gave all the information about it. I don't want to go over it, but if you want me to, I'm happy to. It is super soft. It feels like Angora Rabbit, but and it gives that halo look, but it's not Angora Rabbit. It is 60% polyamide and 40% acrylic. I bought this yarn from Turkey. It's made in Turkey, and I don't know. I buy my best yarns from Turkey, and I'm really happy because I can't find this. Caron cake. I don't know which country that the latte has that effect, but it's not this halo. It gives a little bit of that effect. I haven't looked at the label. Maybe it is made in Turkey. Who knows? I haven't. I never bought that yarn, but I did see it in the stores. So this is how it looks like. So what I've been doing is I've been lately buying yarn from the auction. If you've been checking my yarn unboxing, you will see that. So here's another champagne, but this is more of like a pinkish, right? So if I didn't have this one, I was going to start with this one. I bought a cone. Okay, but just to show you, see how halo it is? It's the same. It's in the eyelash family, but it's only one strand, as you can see. It is just gorgeous. Okay, like I said, if I didn't have this color, I was going to knit up this one. But this is already done. But to give this look, I need to strand this. Okay, I need to add a different yarn. So let's pull this out just to investigate and show it to you. So there's two strands, I believe. Oh, actually 3. No, actually there's 1 strand of this eyelash yarn. If you can see, same as this one. See? When you look at it. Actually, this one is lighter. Well, no, actually they're the same when you pull it. And then what they did is they put a supplemental, I don't know what you call it, like to hold off the eyelash yarn so it won't grow on you. It won't get bigger. It will be nice and nice looking. So I needed to put a different yarn just to secure it when I'm knitting it. Same like this. See, can you see? This is acrylic. Just plain old acrylic. So I needed to find the same color. Well, I didn't want to go through my stash because I thought to myself this would be perfect. So if you have any yarn like this, what you do is it doesn't have to be the same color. It can be a little bit lighter, a little bit darker. That would turn out fantastic. Just add that. I did knit 3 extra large last month, and I did what was pure white. So what I did is I added pure white of 2 strands of this, and then I added merino wool, very thin merino wool, to hold it, to give that secureness to the yarn while I was knitting it up. So I did do it that way. You can play around with it if you have any yarn like this in your stash, and then you can add and then give the same Angora Rabbit look. Okay, so let me put this aside. So I have a huge cone, and I believe I have different champagne colors, like similar to this, different tones, but they're in the champagne family. They're all in the champagne. So when I get an order, I just go into that box and then I work with it. Okay, so I believe there's over 1 kilogram here. I can knit a couple of shrugs, bridal shrugs. So this is going to be for a 2 extra large. I've been using this method and I will put that link as well. So I don't want to go over it, but for a 2 extra large, I will give you the numbers. Okay, this can again fit for extra large. Please listen to me careful because I get this question a lot, even I'm explaining it on the video. This will fit extra large, 2 extra large, or even 3 extra large. But I am aiming for 2 extra large, and I will give you the numbers. So what I do is I cast on 8 stitches, and I have knitted. I knitted up to the middle. While I'm knitting, what I do is I'll give you the numbers. This is going to be a V-neck, by the way. This is only for V-neck, just to give you. So I'm not counting this part because it's going to be a V-neck. I'm going to be doing my increase, so I'm not counting this. So what I did is I put 1 increase on the front, 12 stitches for the sleeve, 1 increase for the between the sleeve and the back, 34 stitches for the back. Okay, so what I did is I tried to figure it out. Okay, so I started from here and I put my increase stitch here. I put a marker, and then between there's 12 stitches that I'm going to be picking up. And again, I do have a tutorial and I will put the link at the end of the video, and you will click that window, you will see it. There's going to be 2 windows that will pop up. One will be for top-down knitting, and I make a playlist, and one would be referring to this as well. And then I put 1 stitch for the increase. Okay, this is the middle part. Okay, so 34 stitches divided by 2. So I am going to be picking up stitches so again, this is 12 stitches. 12 stitches. What did I do here? Yeah, so this is the 12. I don't know why I put this here. So this would be for the 1 increase. This would be the 12 stitches. This would be for the 1 increase. And then up to here is the half of the 34. So I haven't, I'm still knitting. And I will be picking up stitches as soon as I finish the length that I need. So from here to here would be 34 stitches that I will pick up. And then I pick up again 12. And then don't forget the 1 increase, and then 12 stitches. And let me just move this. This is a little bit confusing. I don't know why I put this here. Okay, maybe I was counting. Yeah, I think I was counting because I've been counting. And it's easy for me to count. And then where I'm supposed to pick up stitches. And then that's all to it. And then when I start, this is how it will go. And then I will be knitting. And I don't have to worry about picking up stitches. I like it this way. I figured out this technique just lately. I can't remember when, but I do have a tutorial. So I just wanted to come and show you how you can make your Angora Rabbit yarn look instead of paying a fortune for the 100% Angora Rabbit. If you can afford it, by all means, I would highly recommend you to go and buy Angora Rabbit yarn because it is healthy for you. It's healthy for the body. Like this is, like I said, was a polyamide and acrylic. Okay, the color, if you want to go and buy it, Etsy, you can find this same brand is sold on Etsy. The number is, these are the numbers. Okay, it doesn't give you the name color of the yarn, but by the numbers you can go and grab it. And I believe these are sold between $6 to $8 between. It depends on who's selling. Yeah, I bought these 2 years ago when I was in Turkey. I think I paid 9 TL, Turkish lira. But now these are, I believe, 25 Turkish lira. So Yarn is getting expensive. Yeah, unfortunately. Okay, so like I said, you can make anything with this yarn. Cardigans, sweaters, scarves, hats. And then it gives you this nice halo look. Fake halo look, but it's nice. And I have one I am wearing every day, winter, summer. Let me just bring that to you and just give you an idea how it looks. Okay, here is one that I've been wearing every day, and just wanted to show you how it looks like. And I did use bigger knitting needles, I think 8mm, I believe. So yeah, this is how it looks like. I wear this every single day. Okay, again, it's raglan, top down I have knitted. And what I did is, on this one, I picked up stitches, and then I tried to make a shawl collar. Yeah, but I really like this method that I'm showing, because the collar looks way better. I haven't made a shawl collar yet, but I am planning to do that as well. Okay, I wanted to show you about this numbers for 2 extra large. Again, this will fit extra large, 2 extra large, even 3 extra large, especially if you are going to be knitting for a crew neck. These are numbers for the crew neck, but if you want to make a V-neck, just get rid of these 17, because we're going to be doing increases, right? So you don't need to put 17. For the crew neck, you just need to cast on 96 stitches. And what I do is I knit the rib, 1 knit 1 purl, about 3 inches or 2.5 inches, and then start the body parts. So you cast on 96 stitches, knit about 2.5 to 3 inches rib, 1 knit 1 purl, and then you start dividing the body parts. And don't forget your short rows. Yeah, definitely don't forget your short rows. It gives you that nice height, and then when you put it on, it does you can wear it very comfortable. So I would highly recommend you to do short rows, and I do have several tutorials on how to do short rows, but I have one video specifically on short rows. Yeah, if you go onto my videos, I don't have a playlist for that, but if you go onto my videos, just type down short rows and that pink cardigan tutorial will come up and you will get that information. Okay, and yeah, this is how you start it up, and you just knit as long as you want. Usually I'm knitting for bridal shrugs, and yeah, and so I don't knit that long. So I have plenty of yarn to knit for 2 extra large. Okay, so I hope you like this short video. I just wanted to come and give you some information and how it looks like. I just love it, love it, love it. Look at this. Doesn't this look nice? And I would highly recommend you to hand wash and lay it flat dry. Never put your garments in the washer or in a dryer, especially because these are delicate handmade items, right? Let me see if it does say. Yeah, gives you this information. See, no machine wash, no ironing. I do give it a little bit of steam just to, straighten it about just a little bit on top, like about this high. But I do not have the iron touch it because these will burn because they're acrylic, right? So just be cautious. And that's all I'm going to say. Yeah. Well, thank you very much for watching my tutorials. You know the drill. I'm not going to go over it because it gets annoying. I know I see people keep on saying it, repeating it, but you know how the YouTube thing goes on. So if you can please give me the thumbs up, and then do what you need to do. I'm not gonna force you to do anything. Well, you guys take care. Look how this looks. I just admire this. See? Oh wow. Well, have fun, everybody. Happy knitting. Take care. I'll see you on my next video.